tones, and go. Final race, and they're on again. This is what it's all about, the chili cook-off. We've got 5 minutes, about 75 laps is what we expect to see. Already side by side and moving around. Your leader, Brian Davis. Also with Mark Jefferson and Mike Seymour. Now we going. Go high, turn 1. Clear, clear. All right, your leader now, Brian Davis. He's going to be the white truck that is now in turn 2, the number 62. Back straightaway, you got part of the track sticking out, guys. 3 wide down the back straightaway. Your leader is right there. Mark Jefferson second, Mike Seymour third. Mike Seymour is in pink, number 15. Oh! Go high at it. There you go, clear, clear. Woo! Brian Davis, again, he's going to be coming out of right now, out of turn number 2 on the back straightaway, the white 62, he's the leader. Eddie Beecher, the one who had problems, second place. Trying to do the 62 and the 114, we got trucks everywhere, they're low on the 4. Low on the front straightaway, low on the front straightaway. Problems with Kitty, there you go, we got him back. Time around, go, go, oh, and then we'll get the number 9. Come on, guys, get going, get going. Go low front straightaway, low front straightaway, low front straightaway, low front straightaway. Low front straightaway, clear. Got one in the middle of the straightaway, back it around. I told you guys, this is what it's all about. Flip on the outside of turn number 2. Brian Davis, 22 laps. Eddie Beecher, 23 laps. A big wreck on the front straightaway. Collects the leader. He continues on. It's going to be close. These guys are right on top of each other. A big wreck on the front straightaway, and it's side by side. The leader's getting bounced off. Here goes first and second. Whoa! Threads the needle. The leader gets spun. A new leader. Guess who's got it? No, not yet. Brian Davis is still there. Mike Seymour is second. And Eddie Beecher moves to third. John Kenny has problems out. Go low turn 2, clear. With 2 minutes and 50 seconds left, the biggest race of the year for these guys. It's hardcore. You got high turn 4, clear. A big gaggle of cars upside down behind you. Buckshot, go high 3, it's clear. 2.5 minutes to go. Brian Davis, Eddie Beecher is down by a lap. Mike Seymour now takes it. Oh, body damage, turns it around to 99, keeps going to a big T-roll. Upside down. Go high, get the leader. Oh, man. And that's what happens. A lot of drama for these guys. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Brian Davis with 38 laps. Mike Seymour, the pink number 15 with 37 laps. Eddie Beecher with 36. Outside the park it goes. Side by side and nose to tail. Now Beecher is turned back around and second place goes to third. Eddie Beecher having problems. Go low out of turn 1 and 2. Everything's clear. Dejected, John Kenny leaving the track. Not happy, I can tell. Oh, head-on collision, go low out of 4. Now it's cleared up. Still having problems with the 113 after all of that. Now Eddie Beecher slipping to 4th. 90 seconds left to go. Brian Davis could be the first 4-time winner. Is that right? No, 3rd-time winner. Mike Seymour, second place. Lift that 113 up. Got to get him off the track. Woo! Major damage. Buckshot still keeps it running. Oh, the leader's stuck. Get him. There you go. A 2-lap advantage. Brian Davis, 52 laps. Mike Seymour with 50. Scott Jefferson third with 47 with a minute to go.
1 minute left.
Oh, hard hit. Go low on a 4. It's clear. It's clear. 49 seconds, 49 seconds. Brian Davis is on his way to his 3rd championship, which will tie Mike Seymour. I'm sorry. Mike Henry, you're up. That was all right. 33 seconds to go. Ooh, I would not want to be out there, man. Brian Davis has got to be just holding his breath as he's out there running right now. With 21 seconds to go, a 4-lap advantage. Here they go. 3-time champion coming in. Mike Seymour gets involved. The 14 gets involved. The leader gets involved. All these guys bouncing with 10 seconds to go. The final race of the year for the chili cook-off. Trying to make it happen. 3 in a row. Buckshot go high out of turn 2. Here we go. Keep running till I tell you you're done. three-time champion Brian Davis. Second place loser Mike Seymour, and third place loser Scott Jeffers. If you have damage on your truck, don't fix it. We want photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these guys. $87,000 in 10 years by doing what we do right there. I'm telling you, my voice is gone. That was exciting for us. What we're going to do, we're about 5 minutes away. We're going to do the trophy presentation, and we'll get ready to go. Great job by all of our drivers. Wow. All right, guys.